Today, Discover Arizona presents 5 amazing splash pads. Number 1 on our list is Mansel Carter Oasis, located in Queen Creek, and it had everything you could ask for. Slides, fountains for dunking, and nearby playgrounds with a lake. Number 2 is Gilbert Regional Park, and you guessed it, Gilbert. This park had shooters, sprayers, and fountains galore. Next up, we have Riverview Park in Mesa, and there was a lively crowd with lots of sprayers to cool you down. Alright, so number 4, we have the Cloud at Kiwanas Park in Tempe, and this one is baby ready and fully shaded, so it's perfect for the little ones. Number 5, last but not least, is Espee Park in Chandler. This splash pad had different zones that were activated to keep you on your feet. After hitting the splash pads today, we were pretty cooled down, but we wanted to take it up a notch and headed back to Gilbert for some ice cream and coffee. We all had our own custom orders, from horchata to s'mores ice cream. I think we had a great time today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.